Daniel, can you go run to Daddy?
Run to me. It's really hard those boots. I'll tell you what, we'll do it together. Ready?
Wow! Daniel is awesome.
Tough with the snow in your face, right?
Where do you want to go? Daniel, 4 hours ago there was no snow on the ground. You're doing a good job. Walking in your snow boots and your snowsuit.
He's trekking.
Are you trekking Mount Hamilton Park? Don't put your tongue on that.
I don't think this does that.
I don't either, man. I'm kidding. Daniel, what is this snow? Where did this snow come from?
Last year when we had so much snow, we were such a baby, you didn't know it.
Daniel, are you saying don't use umbrellas during a snowstorm? Is that what you just said to those people?
Oh, Marty, you are so droll.